How to fix Citibank HK app not working. To fix if the Citibank Hong Kong application isn't working, you want to start by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If not, then what you can do is try to check your login information. So when you're on the login page, make sure the user ID and password is basically correct. Now if you're using the app on your Android, long press the app icon, tap this eye or the information icon to come to the app info page. On iPhone, you just have to offload the application. Now from here, scroll down and tap on the storage tab, and from the storage tab you can tap this clear cache option and clear data, which will reset the app and log you out of your account. Then after you've done that, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Citibank HK mobile banking app, check if it has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you can fix if the app isn't working. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.